Welcome back, guys, to Prestige Sense. Today, we have a very special video for you guys today.
We sure do. We have been waiting on this one. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and reviewing Ex Nihilo's Blue Talisman.
Now, I'm sure you guys seen this fragrance everywhere. You've seen it on TikTok, on Instagram, a bunch of people doing reviews on it, telling you to buy it, or even trying to find a bunch of dupes for it.
That's a fact. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing. We're going to go over the opening, the dry down, and then we're going to let you guys know our final thoughts and if it's worth the hype or not.
Guys, now with that being said, let's get straight to the unboxing and put this to the nose.
All right, guys, let's get right into this unboxing.
So while he's doing that, I'm going to pull a Juan today. I'm going to tell you guys a little story. So when we were trying to determine who wanted God of Fire and who wanted Blue Talisman, he actually wanted me to get Blue Talisman and he get God of Fire. But I told him that I messed with God of Fire more than I did with this one. So I told him then and there that I was ready to buy it, that I was going to get it. And if he wasn't ready, that, oh well.
That's crazy. Honestly, I'm not even mad at it. I feel like it worked out for the both of us.
Yeah, it did.
Because I did get a sample of this and I fell in love with it. So I'm not even mad with it. God of Fire is amazing.
Right.
But this, you're going to see right now in a bit.
Still good.
So here you go, guys. This comes in like a foam box. You can see the Ex Nihilo logo on there. Now let's get this open. Let's see. Ooh. Yes, sir. Look how that sits in there. Yeah, that's a fire bottle.
And that's the 100 ml.
That's the 100 ml. Yes, sir. This is the 100 ml.
Ooh.
Now, guys, this fragrance goes for $250 for a 50 ml, and for an 100 ml, it goes for $350. So it is on the pricey side.
For sure.
Let's move this over. Wow, yo. Not for nothing.
That's a beautiful bottle.
This bottle
That's
looks
a beautiful
amazing.
bottle. That's a beautiful bottle.
Amazing. I like the gold cap.
Yes.
The top of it, everything.
Beautiful bottle, bro. Just imagine on the collection.
Yo, I can't wait to see that on my collection. Dude. All right, guys, let's get this on test strip.
Yes, come on, come on.
Let's see what we got.
Let's go, let's go.
All right. See that atomizer.
Ooh.
Pressurized.
I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you. I don't smell it yet. I don't smell it yet.
Oh, I do. Oh, I got it already. I got it already. Let's go.
Oh.
Hey.
Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
Oof.
Wow.
Now, look, guys.
Wow.
So we were going to talk about the opening a little bit here.
Oh, wow. Damn.
If it's your first time smelling this, you might not like the opening.
Right.
But once you guys get used to it, like, I don't know what it is.
But I don't even know, like,
it smells amazing.
I thought the opening was a lot more harsher
and
the
it's really
first
not.
time I smelled it.
Right.
Now that I smell it,
it's
not
harsh.
that bad.
Yo.
Like, it smells really good.
Yeah.
Like, this is fire. This is fire.
So now on the notes now, you do get that pear.
Yes, absolutely. Right away. Just like with God of Fire, you got that mango right away. You got the pear right away in this.
Sir. Now you also do get those woods. I know it got some Akigala wood. And then it also has some other citruses as well.
Yeah, it has that bergamot in there. It has bergamot.
Oh, this is fire.
That's good.
This is fire.
That's really good.
Oof.
No, let's get it on skin, bro.
Yes,
let's get it on skin.
Let's get it on skin. Oh,
damn.
Yeah.
Oof.
Guys, now this is where the magic really happens now. So I'm going to let you guys know real quick. When I got that decant, again, the opening I was not too crazy about. But when I got it on skin and I let it dry down, bro, that's where the real magic happened right there.
Yo,
Kid you not.
This smells.
Oh my God.
Bro.
This is amazing.
It's really, really good.
Now for when to wear this.
Summer.
Honestly though, it's versatile.
It is.
Because you could kind of wear this spring and fall as well.
You can. I personally would just wear this spring and summer.
Okay.
Spring and summer, that's the only time I wear this because if you don't know already, I'm big on gourmand. So when it comes to winter and fall, I'm all gourmand
only.
yeah.
Nah, but again, it is definitely versatile.
Yeah.
You could definitely wear it to the office.
Oh yeah.
You could wear it on, anytime you're going out. A great fragrance overall.
No, it is.
Now, guys, we're gonna do this because Brian has not really smelled the dry down yet. He smelled the opening multiple times with that decant, but we're gonna let this dry down and we're gonna come back to you guys and we're gonna let you know what's our final thoughts with the dry down, and we're gonna go over some of those breakdowns. So let's get right back to it.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, we gave it time. We let it dry down.
Yes.
Bro, this is where it's amazing. So even as stated in our previous video, which is our wish list, which we're gonna leave on the cards above, this fragrance, when it dries down, this is where it becomes like elite.
Yeah,
literally.
it becomes so addictive. It's so fire. It smells so good, and the more it dried down, is where that pear just rose even more. It's so good.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yo, this is amazing
so
fragrance.
good. It's so good.
Now, rating wise, I'm gonna give this fragrance, me personally, I'm gonna give it a 9.5.
And
what would you give it?
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Okay,
I'm gonna give it a 9,
fair.
which is still really
great.
good. Still really good.
A 9 out of 10 is still a
It's
great
still
fragrance,
really
guys.
good. It's still really good.
Yep, because not everything's gonna be a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think where in my opinion, where it would have been a 10 out of 10 is if the opening was a little bit fresher.
Yes.
I think that's where it would have gotten it. But because you gotta let it like dry down a little bit, that's then where it becomes great.
Yes.
So
I agree.
Again, I think that opening could throw off a lot of people. If you smell it only like on test strip, you're not gonna like it. You're gonna be like, it's okay.
Exactly. It's gonna be a mediocre fragrance.
Right. But when you let this dry down on skin,
bro,
it literally becomes addictive.
Yes.
Like
that whole 20 minutes while we were gone, I was literally going like this.
Yeah.
Just kept going like that. It
it's
just
crazy.
kept smelling it. It's
so
so
amazing,
good.
guys.
So good. All right, guys. Final thoughts on Blue Talisman. Is it worth the hype?
Absolutely.
Yes, I agree. It is definitely worth the hype.
Word, that's a fact.
It is.
Everything you guys hear about this fragrance is true.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yes,
it definitely
absolutely is. So now, talk to them about longevity, because I know you worn it already.
Yes, I have worn this already, and for longevity, you get around 8 to 10 hours. So it lasts very well, projects pretty good. Overall, an amazing fragrance, guys. Like literally, overall, it's amazing.
So now, I'm gonna leave it off to you guys. Let us know in the comment section, what are your thoughts on Blue Talisman? Is it in your rotation? Do you have it? Are you planning on buying it? Are you hesitant? Let us know.
Definitely. And as always, guys, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you stay notified every time we drop a new video.
Now, that being said, you know who it is. This is Prestige Scents. Catch you on the next one. See ya.